Hello. Alright, quick unboxing. This is a hand mixer. It's a Dualit hand mixer. 400 watt motor, a unique cord tidy, and that's really the main reason I bought this. And it has three attachments: a whisker, a beater, and a mixer. Is that right? Is that what the attachments are? Let's have a look. There's a flat beater, good for, oh, it doesn't actually say. A balloon whisk, and then dough hooks. So I'm sure it tells you which one's good for what in there. Versatile baking assistant, multiple speeds, retractable cord, that's what I mentioned, very handy. And environmentally friendly, blah, blah, blah. Ooh, let's have a look. So what have we got? Ooh, attachments. Plug. Out the box, you've got you can register it, instructions, nothing very exciting there. Let's have a look at the main thing. Let me just get it out. Very nice. I got the chrome one, very shiny. And this is the plug I'm talking about. So you can plug it in at the front and keep it tidy. Hang on, there it is. With the plug plugged into where the mixer goes, just to keep everything tidy. So instead of having this cord like 2 meters long or whatever is wrapping around everywhere and going everywhere, it packs away really neatly like that. Speed adjustment settings there. This releases the attachment. They feel alright. Don't feel great quality. The buttons a bit plasticky, but it does look nice. Right, let's have a look at the attachments. Zoom in a bit. So for bread, use the dough hooks. Victoria sponge, royal icing or buttercream or fondant icing, use a flat beater. And for whipping cream, use the balloon whisk. Very exciting. Oh, let's give it a go. Let's go through each one. Actually, first let me show you this cord. So you've got it out of the cupboard, unplug it here, and then you just pull. And get it as long as you need it, and then when you're finished, it's hard to show you with my hand, just twist the bottom and it hides away the cable, rotates into itself, and then you just plug in the plug there just to get it out of the way. So I'll show you what it looks like when it's rolled in. Ta-da! Very handy. Right, let's see how it whisks. So what attachments are these? Okay. What attachments are these? Beaters.
Today we're gonna whisk. I'm the whisker and I'm totally fine with it.
So there you have it. Very exciting. If you have any questions, let me know. It's regarding the noise of it, it's standard, similar to all others. Not too loud, not too quiet. It's fine.